Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need an M1/M2 iPad with iPad OS 16. One or later, that ensures Stage Manager can run smoothly. Once ready, make sure Bluetooth devices and any external display are connected so Windows will arrange properly. Next, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right. This puts options within reach. Tap and hold the multitasking icon. This reveals Stage Manager controls. You're starting the workflow now. Enabling here is immediate and establishes once Stage Manager is on, you'll see app thumbnails at the left. Tap one to jump in or drag an app to create a new window group. You can resize windows by dragging edges and stack apps by dragging one onto another. This creates workspaces that persist. Make sure to use the dock to open additional apps into the current group. If you want finer control, go to Settings, Home Screen, and Multitasking, and adjust window snapping and external display behavior so it matches how you work. To finish, tidy your workspace. Close windows using the handle in each title bar and leave groups you'll reuse. If you have an external display, choose Mirror or Extend from Control Center so apps appear where you expect them. Make sure to practice switching groups. This trains your workflow. If things go wrong, restart the iPad first. If that doesn't help, verify you're on the required iPad OS version and model. As a last resort, reset network or display settings. That usually clears persistent display or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.